Welcome back to Hooray Easy English. Today we're going to take a look at 20 common American English slang words and phrases. Slang is an informal, non-standard language consisting of words and phrases that are typically used within a particular group of people or in a particular region, and that may not be easily understood or recognized by those outside of that group or region. Slang often involves the use of new or creative meanings for existing words, or the creation of new words and phrases altogether. It is usually more common in spoken language than in written language, and it can evolve rapidly over time. Now that you know what slang is, let's take a look at some slang words and phrases. I'll provide the meaning of each slang word or phrase, and then I'll use the word in a sentence. Bite the bullet. To endure a difficult or painful situation without complaining. Although she was nervous about giving her presentation, she knew she had to bite the bullet and do it anyway. Hang tight. To wait and be patient. Hang tight, the technician will arrive soon to fix the issue. Cut to the chase. To get to the point or important part of a story or conversation. Let's cut to the chase and get straight to the point of this meeting. Beat around the bush. To avoid addressing a topic directly. Instead of giving a direct answer, the politician tended to beat around the bush during the press conference. Hit the hay to go to bed. I'm feeling exhausted and I think it's time to hit the hay and get some rest. Get a kick out of. To enjoy or find something amusing. I always get a kick out of going on a roller coaster ride with my friends. Piece of cake, something that is very easy or effortless. Making dinner tonight will be a piece of cake because I prepared all the ingredients in advance. Bummed out, to feel sad or disappointed. I was really bummed out when I found out that the concert I had been looking forward to was canceled. Catch some Z's, to get some sleep. After a busy week at work, I can't wait to catch some Z's and get a good night's sleep tonight. Freak out, to become very upset or anxious. As soon as she saw the spider on her bed, she started to freak out and jumped off the bed. No sweat. No problem, not difficult. No sweat. I can help you fix that problem with your computer. Cool beans, an expression of approval or agreement. I just received my tax refund and it's more than expected. Cool beans. Hangover. A feeling of sickness or headache after consuming alcohol. After a night of heavy drinking, I woke up with a severe hangover and regretted going out with my friends. Chill out. To relax or calm down. It's been a hectic week with work and all. I just want to stay home this weekend and chill out. Take a rain check. To decline an invitation but suggest doing it at a later time. I can't make it to the concert tonight, so I'll have to take a rain check and catch the next one. Kudos. An expression of praise or congratulations. Kudos to the organizing committee for putting together a successful event. Screw up. To make a mistake or mess up. I hope I don't screw up the important presentation I have next week. Throw shade. To insult or criticize someone indirectly. During their argument, she couldn't help but throw shade at her ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend. Ace. To do something very well or successfully. John played his cards right and managed to ace the test. Catch-22. A situation where there are no good options, or where each option has negative consequences. She was in a catch-22 situation when her boss asked her to complete the project within a week, but also gave her other urgent tasks that needed to be done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out our other videos, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.